All right, guys, it's here. As you've seen with the title of this video, the Roush Supercharger is at the house. Now, shout out to Hunter at Beefcake Racing for getting us this kit. We were the very first one to order from Beefcake Racing, so we should have one of the very first ones that was actually shipped out. But here it is. We're going to do a unboxing video, kind of show you everything that's coming in these kits. We will be getting this installed at Fast Performance in Ormond Beach, Florida this coming weekend. Hopefully have it up, running, driving, and get some data before we get out to Mustang Week in 2 weeks. So again, this car will be at Mustang Week with or without the Roush. Hopefully with the Roush. We also should have a set of forged GTD wheels on the car. We'll definitely be posting a video when that comes along. And as far as the exterior mods go, Performance Carbon Parts is where we've been getting our carbon fiber from. This is the Performance Pack spoiler. It is a direct OE replica. I've also had their Dark Horse Handling Pack spoiler. I've tested the fit and finish on that one. That fit flawlessly. So whatever S650 spoiler you're looking for, they have it. And then also, just released today, they have full carbon fiber strut tower braces available. Now, all three of the carbon piece that they offer, both the Performance Pack spoiler, the Dark Horse spoiler, and these strut tower braces, are all available in gloss carbon fiber, matte carbon fiber, and forged carbon fiber. So definitely swing by the cars, check the pieces out. We'll have the matte finish strut tower brace on the GT350. We have the matte finish Performance Pack spoiler on the 2024. Once we put the Roush Supercharger on it, this strut tower brace will no longer work on this car, but these strut tower braces will work for all S650s, all S550s, other than the V6 Mustangs from 2015 to 2017, the GT500s from 2020 to 23, and then any non-Performance Pack car or non-Performance Pack EcoBoost car that doesn't have the proper spacing on top of that strut tower bar. When you get a Performance Pack car, it comes with a cowl brace that adds that extra little space. On the non-Performance Pack cars, you just have that one piece of plastic over there. So for the non-Performance Pack cars, we don't have the spacer fabricated yet, but we will be working on that in the near future. But you just need to add a spacer on those two studs to bring the level up for the strut tower bar, and then you'll be good to go to install these strut tower braces on your non-Performance Pack S650s and S550s. This is the pre-production model. These holes will not be in the production model. This is for if you wanted to transfer over your metallic plate, if you had a Dark Horse or a GT350 or something like that. We decided we don't want to have that on the production model because you're not going to put rivets through carbon fiber. It's just going to crush it. So I've already tested the fit and finish of this on another vehicle. You're going to have increased chassis rigidity, chassis stiffness. It's a lot lighter than the OEM metal strut tower brace. You're going to have improved steering response and no increase in MVH through the chassis. Definitely get over to Performance Carbon Parts. I'll leave a link to their website down below and use promo code TDM5 and you'll save 5% on any carbon piece they have on their website. Let's get to it. So it comes shipped on this pallet to the house. We will just start with the top box and see what we see. Let's see what we got. All right, so it looks like it comes with a inventory kit. Let's see what we got. All right. So this looks like I would call it the accessories. Everything that's gonna, look, we got parts from Ford Performance. Yeah, this looks like everything that we're gonna need to install the kit. Pulleys, hoses, brackets, hardware. Of course, we're changing the ventilation system, so that's going to get changed as well. Spark plugs. We got coolant tank for the intercooling system, because obviously it's not going to be using the engine coolant. We got the pump to run the intercooling circuit. Got our new belt. All right, we're gonna get all that out and see what's in the box below it. And we got our Roush and warranty information, registration. We have to register the kit. so that we can get it covered under warranty. As long as an ASE certified technician installs the kit, it will have a warranty backed by Roush. Now, if I had to guess, this is probably the heat exchanger for the intercooling system. All right, confirm we got a radiator in. Open. Foam insul. Oh, and there it is. There it is. The launch edition Roush by Magnuson 2.6 liter TVS for the 2024 Mustangs. Dang. All right, I don't even want to mess with that right now. It's my understanding that the launch edition is going to be a limited production run of the Phase 2 Supercharger. The Phase 2 launch edition is the only one that's going to be coming in this red finish. I don't know that for sure, but that's what I was kind of leading to be believed. Tested the intercooler system on there. Here's your bypass. I mean, a lot of this is already installed. I was expecting this to come in, you know, several pieces, but it looks like we'll have to zap it apart and get it installed. Or it looks like it's almost ready to just be take the intake manifold off and throw it on the car. Wow. All right. What you think, guys? Red on red. That red is gonna look good under the hood, that's for sure. Woo-wee. There we go. All right, guys, we're all ready to go. This week can't go by fast enough. Things are gonna get a lot different here real quick. Let the official countdown begin. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think on the kit. Are you pro Whipple? Are you pro Roush? I don't care who you are, but to me, the Roush looks the best and it sounds the best. I've heard videos of the Supercharger whine, and that's what a lot of these newer cars are missing, is that Supercharger whine. Now, I know whining in the Supercharger system is a restriction, but most people don't care. They just want the sound, okay? That's why people rave about the 03 and 04 Cobra Terminators. That's why the Hellcat crowd is the way it is, because of the whine. They don't care. They just want the sound, all right? How much power do you think it's gonna make? We got the 10R80, 315 gears. Also, be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future uploads, because within a week or two, we're gonna have a lot of videos with the Roush out. So you don't wanna miss any of that. That way you can also be an informed customer when you do choose to go Whipple versus Roush. We're gonna give you all the numbers straight up as if you ordered the kit yourself and you put it on yourself. No gimmicks. So stick around for that. We'll see you on the next one.